In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to completely delete your Call of Duty mobile account. So go ahead and log into the game, go to the home screen as you see I'm on here, and then tap the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner to navigate to your settings, and then go down to user settings on the left-hand side. All right, once we're here under user settings, you're going to need three different things. You're going to need the privacy ID, which is right there at the top where it says personal information and privacy. You're going to need your ID, which is your username for COD Mobile, which is like down there in the lower left-hand corner. And then you're going to need your player ID, which is also down there in the lower left-hand corner. You may have to tap the eye icon to see it, and then the little page icon to copy it. The easiest way to do this is to first copy the privacy ID by tapping the copy button here where it says privacy ID, and then open up a new note on your device like you've seen that I've done here, and just paste it in. And then go back to the COD Mobile app here, and you want to copy your player ID in the lower right-hand corner. So copy that player ID, it'll say copied, and then you can go ahead and put that in the note. Once you've copied and pasted those three things, player ID, ID, and privacy ID, you want to tap the delete button in the lower left-hand corner. Then you want to scroll down and click on Submit a New Request. Once you've done that, scroll down and select your country and state of residence, and tap the I have read the above terms selection and go ahead and proceed to privacy. Once you've done that, you'll need to go and select the Delete My Personal Information button, which is the red button here. Then scroll down, select Call of Duty Mobile in the middle there, and your player ID is going to be your username, so this one should be rather easy. The UID is going to be a few numbers that we copied from the previous thing from our note, and then the privacy ID is going to be a much longer string of numbers and letters. Go ahead and tap I am not a robot, and then when you're ready, you go ahead and tap the continue button, just like so. Whenever you do that, your request will be submitted, and within a few days, your account will be completely deleted. Again, you have to have three things. I've told you what those are. I'll put them in the pinned comment and frequently asked questions down there. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.